This video will show you how to install the RaceChip on a BMW 4.4 liter V8 available across many of their models.
Before installing the RaceChip, please wait until your engine is cool enough to work on. Put your parking brake or emergency brake on. If your vehicle is equipped with an alarm system, please disable it. Pop the hood, roll up the windows, close the doors, and press the lock button on your key fob and move that key fob 30 feet away. You're going to wait about 10 minutes after for all the electricity to clear from underneath the hood.
To begin the installation, we'll use a flathead screwdriver or a body removal tool to remove the locking tabs that are holding the plastic panel in place. Then we'll use that same flathead screwdriver to loosen the hose clamp holding the air cleaner in place, before we use a star socket to remove the cross brace covering the air intake. Gently pull up to remove the air cleaner, and this will give us access to the driver's side boost pressure sensor, which will be located right here on the bottom of the intercooler. Pull back on the locking tab and then press down to unplug the OEM sensor plug. Then we'll go ahead and install the RaceChip wiring harness. To access the passenger side, you can do the same process as the driver's side by removing the air cleaner, or if you have a long enough flathead screwdriver or small enough hands, you can reach directly down to access the boost pressure sensor. Just like on the driver's side, we'll go ahead and install the RaceChip wiring harness. And we're going to make sure that we route it away from any hot or moving parts within the engine bay, using the smaller of the supplied zip ties. Next up, we'll remove the deactivation plug to install the RaceChip into the wiring harness. We'll also use our 4 mounting tabs to go ahead and install those into the unit itself, which allows for the 2 longer zip ties to mount the RaceChip anywhere within the engine bay. Just like with the wiring harness, we want to avoid any hot or moving parts when we mount the RaceChip inside the engine bay. Last thing to do is to cut any excess ends off the zip ties and reinstall the engine air cleaners before you're ready to go.